Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu on Virtualbox VM Manager. So first we click New, and in the name field we enter Ubuntu. So now we click Next, and we set the memory now. I'll give it 4 gigabytes of memory. I have 16 gigabytes in total. So now just create a hard drive and then click Next and click Next again. And now we select the file location of the hard drive. So I'll just put it in my storage and click Save. And I'll just allocate 20 gigabytes to the hard drive. So then we click Create. Now we click Start. So a window will pop up to prompt you to select your ISO file that you downloaded from the official Ubuntu site. So now we click Add, and we select the ISO and hit Open. Then we select the Ubuntu ISO and select Choose. Now we click Start. So the virtual machine will start now. Okay, we just wait for it to start up. Now it's up. And so the installation wizard will be popping up shortly. So on the first page, you'll want to select your language. Here I'll just select English, and then we click Install Ubuntu. Now we select the keyboard layout and click Continue. So on this page, we want to select Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. And we hit Continue. So installation type here will just erase disk and hit Install Now. And we click Continue. So now we select our time zone and click Continue. Now input your name and set a password here. Then click Continue. And now we'll just wait for it to install. Okay, installation is finished. We click Restart Now. So the system here will prompt you to remove the ISO file. So we need to make sure the ISO file is removed before you restart it. So now we click Devices, Optical Drives, and you can see that next to the Ubuntu ISO, the checkbox is empty. That means it's not selected. So we can safely reboot. And now it will boot into the Ubuntu system on the hard drive. Now we can log into our system. And here we'll be greeted with a welcome page. So we just click Next and Next. So if you want to share your system info, you can share it. But now I'm not going to share my system info here. So now we can click Done. Okay. And now we are going to install the VirtualBox guest editions. So to enable the resizing of the operating system. So first we open up a terminal here. And now we need to click Devices, Insert Guest Edition Images. And now we go to the Files and click Cancel here. So open up the Guest Edition image and select all of the files and copy it into Downloads. Okay, now uh, you can see we'll run this VBox Linux additions.run file in the terminal. So first we type cd downloads to go into the downloads directory, and we type ls to see all the files in here, and then we use sudo bash VBox Linux additions. Okay, we type in our password here. Okay, I actually forgot to include the .run of the file name. Okay, we add the .run in here, so it's running now. Hit enter. Okay, you may be also experiencing this error because you don't have the necessary kernel modules and things to build this plugin. So now we need to install the build essentials to enable the building of kernel modules. So yeah, we type sudo apt-get install build essential and hit Y enter and install all the necessary packages here. And now we can run the last command again. Okay, now it is installed properly. So we now just need to reboot the machine. You type reboot and enter. Okay, we are back in the system. We can log in now. And now when we resize the window, we can see the operating system is resizing correctly. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.